Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on the Tinder application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Tinder application if you don't have it on your phone. But if you do have it on your phone, just ignore me. If you don't have it, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, you shall just go log into it, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, after opening your Tinder application, that will be actually your main screen. Here you can actually like decline people, like people, or you can go here to discovery option, which is recently added to Tinder, and it's actually added to every social media application. You can find it every social media application. Here we have the option of you can let you see the people who likes you. Of course, you would like to have a golden or gold Tinder. For that, here you have your top picks, and here you have the option of messaging like people on Tinder. Of course, the people that you actually liked and they actually liked you as well. Here you can actually start messaging or contacting or DMing them. So after that, as we said, we would like to block someone. All you need to do, just go and click at your icon at the top left corner. Of course, you could have another icon here. I only have this icon because that's actually my profile picture. So every profile picture you have, it will appear to you as an icon. So here you would like to go and click at the settings here, and then scroll down until you find the block contact. So let me just scroll down, as you can see, until you find it, which is here. And as you can see, that okay, sorry, that will be actually the option of block contacts. Of course, all contacts blocked, once you have blocked contact, they will only show in the block tab. So if you actually blocked someone, it will actually appears here. If you want to block any contact, of course, you would like first of all to give permission to Tinder to get into your contacts on your phone. And if you want, you can, of course, as we said, you will need to grant Tinder permission to access your contacts, and then under the contact tab, select people who you want to avoid from your contact list, and of course you can block them. So as you can see here, we have a plus option. You can add the name or the contact info by adding the phone number or email. So if they are actually using Tinder, they will be blocked. If they will actually start using Tinder in the future, they will be blocked as well. We have here the option of disconnecting the contact list if you grant the permission for for the contacts on your phone. Of course, you will find any blocked contacts as we said here. So for me, I have no one because no blocked contacts. Block people by using the contact tab to select anyone you don't want to see. Of course, the blocked contacts will appear here. If you have too many, you can even search for them. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.